Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is BP Moretini Pear. It's a European pear, very healthy, very disease resistant here for us in the San Juans. And we planted it a couple of years ago, and it's doing quite well. It's pretty prolific. This is just like ubeline. It's a tinier, almost like a tinier version of ubeline. And we usually let our pears sit out on a table. We harvest them, let them sit out a little bit to get a little more ripe. And I don't think it's quite ripe yet. But I just wanted to get out here on such a pretty day and let you see it on the branches, because you really never know what's going to happen with my raccoons could come in and eat them all. So we're going to leave it at that, and we'll come back out here in a week or so, and we're going to try them again. And we're back out here about a week or a little over a week later. It snapped right off, so it looks like we're good to go, and there is fruit on the ground here, so I think it's pretty close to ripe. Let's take a bite. That's good. You can see it kind of ripening towards the center. It tastes good now, but I would probably harvest this and then wait a few days before eating it, because pears will ripen when you pull them off the tree. So I think that would be the optimal way to eat this. This is BP Moretini. It's a really nice pear. Got a great shape to it. Ripens early in the summer, around the same time as ubeline. So if you're looking for a earlier ripening pear that you can bring to the farmer's market or share with other people, this is a great one.